Hey guys, so we have the Airbnb up, which is super exciting, and we have our first booking. So I wanted to show you all the white that you see is cottonwood from the trees. We have the little chicken coop with the Muscovy ducks in it, and we have our tie-out ropes for the goats, so that we can have a couple of the goats over here for people to see. We have the fire pit, we have the ditch, and we have the gardens. The girls have put in a little wooden path to lead people back here. We're not quite finished, but our first listing is not until, it's not for another week. But I wanted to show you everything. We brought one of the cages up, and we put 3 quail in it and 1 rabbit, our friendliest rabbit. And then we have the shower ready. I don't know what to do about all of the cottonwood because it makes it look like we've got trash all over the ground. Here's a cooking station, and I need to enclose that in plastic because otherwise the wind will blow things out. Here's the hand washing station that needs to be scrubbed because we haven't been out here. We've been working on the big house. I can't show you very much because I just painted the floor again, but I'll show you what I can. There is, I've got the railings on the rails, got the floor painted, and it looks, I think it looks pretty good. So, the Airbnb is up and away. And this little screen works really, really well to keep mosquitoes and horseflies and other things out. We do have firewood, but generally you don't need a fire until the end of September. And there it is. So, wish us luck. We're excited to be starting. Hopefully, once all this remodeling is done, hopefully the quality of my videos goes up. And you won't see so many cold sores from, I don't do real well with chemicals and paint and that kind of thing, especially with prolonged exposure. We also have the fun swing in the tree. We're just hoping this is a really fun solution for people. We're not charging a whole lot here at the beginning while we're kind of getting our sea legs, but we're just trying to have it be inexpensive and fun for everybody. So if you guys are interested in coming, this is not necessarily a, hey, hold the channel, I hope you come stay at the Airbnb. But if you're interested in it, I'll put the link below. Because I know some of you are not in Idaho, and that's a really long way to come to just stay in a little cabin. And we really don't have our feet under us yet. This is our first time. And I'm a little nervous. But anyway, we'll talk to you later.